welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to match your face to your body. As humans, regardless of the race, our bodies and faces are usually full of hyperpigmentations. Certain areas of my face, for instance, is 3 if not 4 shades lighter on my chest. So I'm here to show you how to match those areas of the face to the chest so that it evens out beautifully. So without chatting too much, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So as you can see, these areas of my face is at least 3 to 4 shades lighter than my chest. So I'm going to use this face primer from Rose and dab that on my face. Then mix didosh in color 5 as a color corrector. But any good drugstore color corrector will work just fine. Correcting those areas that's pigmented than the rest of the face. Next, mix didosh foundation in color 4 and dab that one also onto my face. Then blend it in with a beauty blender. So since this video is about the face, I'm going to go and do my brow real quick. So I'll be right back. Then I'm hydrating my lips with a lip balm. This is all what I will use for today. It's an organic lip balm from margpok. But any good lip balm you have on hand will do the job just fine. That is my match your face to your. So that's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave suggestions, questions and comments down below and I'll try to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.